Hi, this is just a quick and dirty video to help one of my customers who's having a problem getting one of these Chinese manufactured button making machines to work with our 58mm supplies. I'm sorry, I'm hand holding my camera today and I'm not all Beckied up like normal. This is just to help my customer real quick and dirty. So please forgive the quality of this. The problem that they're having is that the this button making machine, these are all manufactured by different companies out of China. They look the same, but they're not the same. They don't, anyway, the supplies that they got from us are not holding together properly. On press number 2, the buttons don't stay together. They just pop apart. This die, the one I have for testing, actually came with 2 55mm washers that fit down into die B and allow the pinback to sit up a little bit higher. But my customer does not have those washers available. So we're gonna hack this thing today to get it to work with the supplies that they ordered from us. So I'm gonna, again, I'm sorry about the quality of this. All right, here we go. Also sorry about the quality of this machine. These machines suck. So don't buy these machines. If you have a little bit of extra money, get a decent machine. You will not regret it. But if you have one of these machines and you're in a pinch, I can help you. So I guess I could just demonstrate the problem really quick. The metal supplies fit in here properly, but the button pieces like just pop apart, like they come apart. Okay. So I guess I'll just show that. Okay, pull number 1 is working. Sorry, I have to punch this machine to get it to work. It's not a good machine. Don't buy these. All right, so this is what happened. So just, this pin just stays in there. This shell is now ruined. Button supply is not working. So what I'm gonna do to get this to sit up a little bit higher, since the customer does not have the washers that maybe came with their machine, is I'm gonna take a pin out of the pin back and put it in the die like this. Whoop. It's just a little hack to get the pin to sit up a little bit higher. Now watch. Okay, so now the pin goes, like my regular pin that I'm gonna use just goes in on top of here correctly. So I'm gonna show you that. Okay. All right, pull number 1. And pull number 2. Ta-da! Perfect button, metal pin backs, no washers.